Okay, this is the view, the image that was captured in UFO capture of this object that came in, and you can see where I'm pointing, and it comes down this direction. And that's what it looks like if it's overhead. So now if I take it, flip this upside down, it'll show what is the ground track. Just sort of the opposite, but on the ground. And this will be the path. Let me back up here. This will be the path down here, coming this way now. That's the object. This 324 degrees is the angle that the camera was pointed to. And over here, we have a drawing of north. And what I've done is I've created a clear image of that from just tracing it on this. So now you see these are just laid over each other, and it's clear, and I can put this clear image on clear plastic on another map to show you where I think it was headed. Okay, this is part of a map. It's called an H2 map, and it's a high altitude map for the jet routes or air traffic that are above, I think, 10,000 feet, I think. Anyway, it's like highways in the sky. And right here in the yellow, that is, if I can bring it in, that is Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, very close to where I live. And if we go up a little further, you can see, let me see if I can point it to you. Right to here is Las Vegas. And there's also Nellis Air Force Base up here. And then here is the Nevada Nellis Air Force Range. And within that is Area 51. It's a restricted area, okay? And it's also called, if you worked at Los Alamos, it's also called S4 for the Nevada test site. That's in this area as well. It's a big restricted area. No one should fly over it, so you don't see any plane traffic going through there. You see it going around. You see them, they avoid this area altogether, okay? Okay, so we're looking at Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, and you'll notice a little arrow on this map. Let me get my pointer, wherever it is. See that little arrow? It points north. All these different airports or locations have a little arrow that point to the north. You can see we go up here. Everyone has a little arrow. And so what I want to do is take this plastic sheet I've got and put it over here, and I want to align the north with that little north symbol right about there. Look at, here we go. So I put it right there. And make sure I got it aligned. Sorry, I have to look at it underneath. Up there. So that's pretty close. Okay? Okay, so we got north aligned, and now the telescope was pointed in this direction at 324 degrees. And the object is this path right here. Let's see if I can point it to you. Going up that way, see? I've got written object. And if you follow it, it points toward Las Vegas and Area 51. So that's the direction that object that you see. It's kind of hard to do this because I'm looking here and filming there, but point in that direction. From Phoenix. So that's where this object was headed toward that I filmed. So anyway, looks like it was headed toward Area 51. It could have went over it, or it could have fell before it. I don't know. This is UFO Capture's image of the event that happened on Friday night, and then there'll be a short clip of the actual video, and then I repeat it 3 times in slow motion for you. This is the actual high definition recording recorded on the Sony A7S camera, and now I slow it down for you 3 times. And it shows this object sort of burning in and then maybe breaking apart toward the end. And then I'll have some images of that, detailed images. Okay, this is the image where the object starts to split apart. It's an infrared image, so it's red tint to it. And you can see a little gray portion. And now I magnify that ×2 in Microsoft Paint. And you can see it maybe a little clearer that way. The next image, I remove the red, reduce the red in the image, so it looks a little, maybe more green now, that piece that sticks out. And here is one of the next frames. It shows something just came out. There's 2 pieces and then that's a magnified image of that ×2 in MS Paint. So whatever it was kind of strange.